Namaste, my fellow trading learners. Today I'm here to talk about the best online trading courses, 4 options in India, and let me tell you, it's more exciting than a Bollywood dance number. I know it's not, calm down. If you're looking to spice up your investment portfolio with some trading, then you're in the right place. But with so many online courses out there, how do you know which one to choose? Well, fear not, my friends, because we are going to uncover the top course around for fast trading methods for someone in India. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. After all, nobody wants to feel like they are stuck in a financial seminar with an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started and find out which course will be your ticket to confidence in trading. India has access to thousands of possible trading courses to learn how to take advantage of a stock exchange by learning to buy and sell and hopefully make a profit. A day trader is one who buys and sells things in the stock market within the same day. This is a risky venture and most day traders lose money. Never use money that you aren't willing to lose to day trade with. The main questions someone from India would need to ask themselves is this: how much time per day do I have to trade? How much do I want to learn about trading? And which strategy is the best one for me? As of the making of this video, I have personally taught one-on-one hundreds of people about trading, and I've instructed through videos hundreds of thousands. There are a few key factors that I discovered. Number 1, trying to include a broad array of data when teaching someone something is overwhelming and few will get it. Like learning a musical instrument, the best way is to teach someone how to play one song well, not how to read music, what every single symbol means, not scales, just a song. From there, they can learn other songs, start to understand and learn some of the symbols and laws, and can grow. That also applies to other activities. Learn one thing very well that is easy to learn. Bruce Lee once said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." I am amazed that he would fear anyone, to be honest. Speaking of kicks, go ahead and kick the like and subscribe buttons so we can make easy answers more popular and available to folks who need them. So, what does a resident of India do if he or she wants to trade? If one has the time and wants to be a full-time day trader, this will likely take a couple of years to become good at and hundreds of hours of study. If I wanted to be a full-time day trader, I would just go on YouTube and type in, "I want to be a full-time day trader," and I would watch dozens of hours of videos explaining how. One guru's series of videos will sing to your soul, and this is the one you should follow and learn from. But well, it turns out that most residents of India work for a living and can't spend all day trading stocks. Being a day trader in India is highly difficult, and if one is trading on the US markets, they would have to operate from about 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. every day. Brutal schedule. That is why I developed and why I recommend the 20-minute trader system. This is a way of day trading which only takes 20 minutes per day. And I mean from start to finish, including setting things up. If one wanted to trade in the US markets, in India, this would be from 8 p.m. to 8:20 p.m. during fall and winter, and 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. in the spring and summer. This is because in the US and many other countries, we have something stupid called daylight savings time, and we change the clocks by an hour twice per year. 20-minute trading relies on the ability to predict which direction a stock is going to go for only the next couple of minutes or less, and looking for a few easy indicators to tell us when this will occur. The trader may place a trade just before he or she predicts this little jump and sell right after it happens, hoping for a profit. The ability to predict one small motion in a stock's value is the key. The 20-minute trader team attempts to teach this, and per reviews does very well at this. While there are many thousands of terms, symbols, and strategies one could learn, the 20-minute trader strategy is designed to be very easy with minimal words and symbols to understand. The full strategy is available for free in the link below called Free Course. But wait, how does an Indian citizen trade in the US stock market? While there may be other routes, the one I know that grants Indian residents access to trading the US markets is a brokerage called Interactive Brokers. I have provided a link below for an application to access this if you would like. Feel free to browse other topics on my channel for easy and fun information about trading and stocks. I want to remind you that day trading is risky and my results are not typical. Your success is not guaranteed if you learn with me or on your own. Practice first with paper trading before putting your own money on the line. Do not blindly follow me or anyone else. See you in the next video.